Yeah, guys, welcome back. In the previous session, we have seen how exactly we can handle the home page. Let's go to this documentation and let us see the next page, which is a Your Cart page. See here, basically, after selecting a product and clicking on a cart logo, the page that you are on is a Your Cart page. And in the Your Cart page, you are just performing a checkout operation itself. So let's come back here. Okay, let's come back here. Go to the page objects and select this class, okay, this file, basically your cart page.ts. Okay, perfectly all right. And as part of this particular page, again, you just need to import this information. So here I'm just adding this particular import, and later this is gonna be the export. And here, as part of this export, the page here is your cart page. I just accepted it. And as and when I typed my your cart page, my copilot is suggesting me add the property. Okay, add the property, and it's asking to add the locator as well, which I am adding it. I'm not adding any other locators. Okay, I'm not adding any other locators. And then I'm defining a constructor. And again, my copilot is adding a suggestion to perform this particular one. And I just accepted my suggestions. And also, it prompted me a method as well. See here, my copilot has prompted a method and I accepted that suggestions. Proceed to checkout, wherein which you are just clicking on this particular button itself. Okay, proceed to checkout, and after that waiting for few seconds. That's it. Now let's go back to this particular file, and here import this particular your cart page. It's suggesting me and I am accepting that particular suggestion. And here the logout I'm moving to the last. Okay, the logout I'm moving to the last. And here it is suggesting me to create an instance to your cart page, and it is also providing me suggestion to call that particular method. I just called it perfectly all right. So this is what the flow is. So where I have inserted, so my login, after the login there is a home page, and after the home page there is a your cart page. Let me try to execute this particular flow and check it out whether it is performing up to this operation or not. Okay, so it's just logged in, and after logged in it added a product to the cart. And then so here in this particular screen it will try to perform a logout operation perfectly all right, and then it closes the browser. All the actions got executed successfully here as part of this particular page. Now if you look at it, so this is the your cart page. Okay, this is the your cart page. Even we performed operation successfully on this your cart page. In the next session, let us see how exactly we can deal with this your information page. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next lecture. Thank you.